Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Make sure your device is powered and not in an extreme power saving mode, because that limits brightness control. Next, open Quick Settings by clicking the network/volume/battery cluster at the lower right or press Win+A. You'll see the brightness slider labeled with a sun icon and a 0-100% range. Drag it or click the bar to change immediately. This first step gives you instant feedback, so you can judge screen comfort before deeper settings adjustments. Once done with Quick Settings, press Win+I to open Settings and navigate to System Display for finer control. Here you'll use the brightness slider to set an exact percentage and configure night light if you want warmer tones at night. Make sure to check Advanced Display Settings to enable or disable Adaptive Brightness, or HDR, because Windows and some drivers override manual levels when those are active. If your external monitor has controls, match Windows settings with the monitor OSD for consistent output. Finish by verifying drivers and peripherals. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and update or reinstall your graphics driver because outdated drivers often break brightness controls. If you use Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD control panels, adjust gamma and panel-specific settings there. For external displays, use the monitor OSD. If the slider is missing or changes don't persist, restart Windows, try rolling back a recent driver, or run Windows Update. One quick troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.